1500 Ram. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm system. This thing comes with a factory alarm. It has remote start. It has everything. The only thing is lacking is on the actual shock sensor. So in other words, if I don't open any of the doors, I can take a baseball bat and destroy this whole truck and jump in without opening any of the doors and will not fire the alarm. And if somebody tries to bust out the lug nut locks to take the rims and tires, nothing's going to happen. So by adding the shock sensor to it, now if I bang on the vehicle, it will fire off. Shut it off by hitting unlock. Arm it again. I'll give it a few seconds, and then I'm gonna bang on this front tire here. Should fire off the alarm. Yeah, this is a nice add-on. That way you don't have to install an alarm and carry another remote control around or any of that stuff. It keeps everything nice and clean. Go ahead and bang on this tire here. Should fire off the alarm. Give it a little second. Factory alarms have a little delay. Okay, and I'll show you the factory remote start. Pretty nice. Okay, yeah, just want to show you guys that the shock sensor add-on has nothing to do with the remote start not working after the installation. It has nothing to do with that. Your remote start will continue working just fine. This add-on was installed here in this 2020 1500 Ram by Auto Alarm Specialist. We do have free mobile service. If you're in the Miami area, Fort Lauderdale, Homestead, we can get this done for you. If you're out of state, you can give us a call at 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814, and we can go over how you can get this done in your home state. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on this glass here, and you'll see it's gonna fire off as well. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. This is the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm in this 2020 Ram. Thank you for watching this video.